He says, Marize mohabbat ko aisi dawa do. Give someone diagnosed with the ailment of love. Muhabbat, love, being in love with someone, the shu'ara have referred to it as an ailment, as something that they are diagnosed with, something that they are suffering from, because love is enjoyment and love is also suffering. If you are close to the one you are in love with, it's enjoyment. If you are separated and you are far away from somebody that you love, that's also something painful to experience. So marize muhabbat, somebody that is sick, somebody that is ill, and somebody diagnosed with the ailment of love, right? He's called marize muhabbat, somebody diagnosed with the sickness of love. Marize muhabbat ko aisi dawa do. What kind of a cure, what kind of treatment are you going to give somebody who is marize muhabbat, who bimar thodi si khake shifa do? He says, treat my ailment by giving me the blessed sand.